Good morning guys, in front of me is Honor X9 and let me show you how to reset all the settings. First of all, open the settings, then go to System and Updates and click on Reset. Here you will notice Reset All Settings, Mark to Perform, and if you truly want to reset all the settings, including those for networks, settings, Face ID and lock screen password, tap Reset All Settings. Now provide your screen lock pattern, PIN code or the password, confirm by tapping on Reset again and wait till the operation is finished. As you can see, it's already done. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.